today I'm gonna be trying to use this weird coffee maker. Mom, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, now I gotta get the water. I'm gonna place this camera right here and yeah. I gotta place it at the back of this coffee maker. Oh my god. I don't know why. Why am I so crunchy though? How do you put this? Oh, okay. Oh, and you gotta like put this lid on. How do you even use a coffee maker? I mean, staying. I'm stressing out with where putting this thing on. Like this? Yeah, like that. Like that. What was that sound? Yeah, like put it right there. Oh, turning it on by plugging this. Oh my, touch this thing. I'm just making 1 cup of coffee because I don't drink coffee. I'm only 11 years old. Why should I be drinking coffee? Mom, what are you doing? You're getting a cup? That's a cute little cup. Be careful if there's ants in that thing. Press this. Oh. Okay. Yeah, Mom, you drink a latte. You don't drink coffee. You just don't like the bitter taste of like a latte. I mean, coffee. Seriously, I keep mixing those things up. Mom, that was my water. You like the Kit Kat cup? I was using that, by the way. Seriously, I don't know how, but why am I even using a coffee maker even though I'm using it for the video? Oh, it's moving. Mom, have you ever heard of still water?
What?
Still water.
Yeah. Tell water. I don't understand. Tell water.
Still.
Still.
Should I even look this up on Google? By the way, I don't even know how to spell still. I am a terrible speller. Oh my god. Is it broken? Ah! It sounds so weird. Bruh, what's going on inside of that pipe? I don't know what that is. I don't know how to use a freaking coffee maker. Huh? Hot.
Hot.
I don't want to burn my finger.
Not burn.
It is hot, by the way.
Tell me. You smell her.
No. It smells like coffee. Right now it just stopped and it had like coffee in it. Putting it back there. I think you guys. Ah! Oh. How do you even stop that? Bro, it's the mess. Good thing you didn't get on the camera. I gotta get the towel. That was the best thing I ever seen. Except the fire that happened in the party. I still like it. I still like that fire that happened in the party. This is like getting a 9 out of 10. I don't know how to use the coffee
Mày nghĩ
maker.
đó là một cái hấp nữa, một cái gì?
One of the best things that ever happened in the house. Yeah! You like it. And guys, please subscribe and like this video for me because I want to try to hit like 100 subscribers because I suck at this YouTube channel. Oh my god. Well, let's just wait for a minute until my mom cleans this whole thing up.